Hello, this is Brian from Front Range Home Inspections. We're in a condo here, and we have a noise coming from the vent in the closet, the upstairs bedroom. Some people aren't aware that a lot of times they'll do a booster, and so there's actually a booster fan on the dryer vent that helps boost the exhaust from the dryer out to the exterior, and that's what this is. I'll take it apart and take a look. It's a little noisy. A lot of times they get clogged and people just don't know what they are. Okay, so we got the grill off and we've got a fan similar to a radon mitigation fan that takes the dryer vent and vents it to the exterior. It has a shut off switch. A lot of times they'll put a little filter, so probably need to take that apart and just make sure that it's clean, and then it should run smoother. But where it's rattling against the framework is making the noise, so we might be able to clean that and quiet it down. Until next time, Brian at Front Range Home Inspections.